Buongiorno, oggi facciamo un giro ad Anello, sono in compagnia di Rudy.
Ciao.
E Matteo.
Ciao.
Facciamo il sentiero, un sentiero delle Piccole Dolomiti che è sopra Cornedo. Anello Ecoturistico Piccole Dolomiti collega 10 comuni del territorio per una lunghezza di oltre 120 km. Il percorso si snoda per lo più in zona collinare e montana ed è rivolto agli appassionati di trekking, mountain bike e cavallo, che potranno scoprire siti culturali e ambientali particolarmente significativi e di pregio, quali pievi e chiesette, ville e musei, contrade e punti panoramici mozzafiato. Arrivati ai campi piani di sotto, adesso in direzione ai campi piani di sopra.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt?
Mi sa che vedo il Tosano e il Cornedo, ecco lì sotto, mi sa.
Il 20% di salita qua. Bagno.
Collega le chiave.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can't.
Del 1710.
La cultura. Giro cicloculturale.
Guarda dove che le porto! Maronaro del 1790 e un castagno del 1675. Un po' distrutto, ma veramente beppeti. Bello, eh?
I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this.
Arrivati a Zovo, adesso facciamo un bel pezzo di downhill e Matteo è contento e arriviamo giù Magre.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no time.
Chi è più bella? Chi è più bella? L'arancia smarso, il giallo, il nero, il turchese bello. Niente.
Andiamo già a mandare
I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
Pugno.
Bravo Giro, bravo.
Adesso asfalto fino a Piovene. Dopo 53 km, 4 ore e mezza e 1100 metri di dislivello siamo tornati a casa a Piovene. Il giro veramente spettacolare, soprattutto a discesa. Un saluto a Rudy e Matteo è già andato a casa.
Ciao ciao. Un positino meritato.
Ciao, alla prossima.
Never slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're with my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help.